Have you ever thought a simple habit before bed could transform your health while you sleep? Right now, millions of people over 45 are struggling with stubborn weight, poor sleep, or health concerns like high blood sugar. And if you've tried countless tips with no real results, I get it. That's why today, I'm sharing something surprisingly small, backed by research, that can help you burn fat, balance blood sugar, improve digestion, and even sleep more deeply, all while you're resting. Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me. You'll see exactly why this works, how to start, and the timeline before you notice real changes. Quick note, I'm not your doctor, so this is for educational purposes only. But everything you hear today is verified by professional nutritionists and based on published scientific studies. Links are in the description if you want to fact-check me. So, what's this simple habit? And what happens if you try it for just 1 week? Let's dive in. Number 1. Promotes better sleep. Ever find yourself lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, wondering why your brain is still wide awake? You're not alone. As we get older, our sleep cycles naturally change, and deep, restful nights can feel like a rare luxury. Here's where chia seeds can quietly come to the rescue. They're a natural source of tryptophan, yes, the same amino acid in turkey that makes you feel sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner. In your body, tryptophan turns into serotonin, your feel-good brain chemical, and then into melatonin, your body's very own sleep hormone. But there's more. Chia seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Think of it like turning down the dimmer switch in your body before bedtime. And here's a big one for overnight rest. Chia's high fiber content slows down how quickly your body processes carbs, keeping blood sugar stable through the night. No more 3 a.m. wake-up calls from a sugar crash. So if you're tired of counting sheep, a small serving of chia seeds and warm almond milk before bed might just be the natural nudge your body needs to drift off and stay there. Number 2. Aids in weight loss. Now, let's be honest. Who wouldn't mind losing a little around the waist? And no, I'm not talking about crash diets or skipping dinner. I'm talking about something that actually works with your body, not against it. A 2024 clinical study found that adults who ate just 30 grams of chia seeds per day saw a significant drop in both body weight and waist circumference over 6 months. No crazy restrictions, no magic pills, just one small, consistent habit. Here's why. The soluble fiber in chia seeds expands in your stomach, creating a gentle fullness that can naturally curb late-night snacking. On top of that, their omega-3 fatty acids help improve metabolic health, making it easier for your body to burn fat instead of storing it. And remember, we're only on benefit number 2, so you'll want to see what's coming next, because the third one might surprise you even more. Number 3. Regulates blood sugar. Ever had that sudden energy crash in the middle of the night, or worse, first thing in the morning? That's often your blood sugar spiking and then plummeting. Chia seeds can help smooth out that roller coaster. The soluble fiber in chia forms a gel-like texture in your stomach, slowing down how quickly carbohydrates are absorbed into your bloodstream. That means fewer sharp sugar spikes and more steady energy while you sleep. But here's something many people don't know. Chia seeds are rich in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that research shows can improve insulin sensitivity. In simple terms, it helps your body use insulin more efficiently, which is especially valuable if you're watching your prediabetes or type 2 diabetes risk. And the best part? This isn't just about avoiding sugar crashes. Steady blood sugar also means more balanced hormones, better mood, and even fewer midnight cravings. Number 4. Improves digestion and gut health. Let's be real. Digestion isn't the most glamorous topic, but when it's off, you feel it everywhere. Bloating, irregularity, that heavy feeling after meals. Sound familiar? Chia seeds can help bring things back into balance. First, their soluble fiber works like nature's own stool softener, drawing in water and creating a gel that keeps everything moving smoothly. No harsh laxatives, no uncomfortable surprises, just gentle, regular relief. Then there are chia's phenolic compounds, plant-based antioxidants shown in studies to help reduce inflammation inside the intestines. Less irritation means a happier, healthier gut lining. And here's the part that's often overlooked. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia can actually help rebalance gut bacteria. A healthy microbiome doesn't just improve digestion, it supports immunity, mood, and even weight control. So, if your gut feels out of sync, a daily chia boost could be your quiet, behind-the-scenes helper. And speaking of behind the scenes, the next benefit works silently too, but it protects one of your most important organs, your heart. Number 5. Supports heart health. Your heart works 24/7, but how often do we actually give it something back? Chia seeds might be one of the easiest heart-friendly foods you can add to your day. They're loaded with ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that's been shown in research to help reduce inflammation in blood vessels and lower overall cholesterol levels. Think of it as a gentle oil for your circulatory system, keeping things running smoothly. On top of that, chia's soluble fiber can help lower bad LDL cholesterol. Here's how. It binds to bile acids in your gut, which your body then excretes. To replace those bile acids, your liver pulls cholesterol from your blood, lowering your levels naturally without medications. With consistent use, you're not just feeding your body, you're helping protect against heart disease, which remains a leading cause of death worldwide. Number 6. Hydrates the body overnight. Here's something you might not expect. Chia seeds can actually help keep you hydrated while you sleep. These tiny powerhouses can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel that releases moisture slowly into your system through the night. That means your body isn't just relying on that last glass of water before bed, it's getting a steady trickle of hydration for hours. Plus, chia seeds are rich in natural electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, which help your cells hold on to water and keep your muscles and nerves functioning properly. So, if you often wake up feeling parched or with a dry mouth, an evening chia drink could be your simple, natural fix. And next, we'll talk about a benefit that doesn't just make you feel better, it can actually help protect your bones for years to come. Number 7. Supports bone health. Strong bones aren't just about avoiding fractures, they're about staying active, independent, and confident as you age. And here's where chia seeds quietly shine. They're packed with ALA, that plant-based omega-3 we talked about earlier, which helps reduce inflammation in the joints and supports bone-building cells. But that's not all. Chia seeds also deliver calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, the essential minerals your bones crave to stay dense and strong. In fact, one animal study found that diets rich in chia increased bone mineral content in rats, suggesting real potential for long-term bone support in humans too. So, whether it's keeping up with grandkids, gardening without back pain, or just feeling steady on your feet, these tiny seeds can be a powerful ally. Number 8. Strengthens immunity. Your immune system is like your body's personal security team, and chia seeds can give it some serious backup. They're packed with antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals, plus minerals like zinc and magnesium, both key players in fighting off illness. Even more interesting, a study found that chia protein hydrolysates, basically broken down chia proteins, can help modulate immune function, making your defense system more responsive when needed. So whether it's the seasonal flu or just staying resilient year-round, a small daily serving of chia can be a simple, natural way to stay in fighting shape. Number 9. Improves sexual health. Let's talk about a benefit that doesn't get nearly enough attention: sexual health. It's not just about romance. It's a key part of overall well-being, confidence, and even longevity. Chia seeds are a surprisingly good source of zinc, a mineral essential for testosterone production in men and hormone balance in women. Healthy hormone levels can directly influence desire, energy, and overall vitality. Then there's magnesium, which supports healthy blood flow, a crucial factor for sexual function in both men and women. Better circulation means better performance, plain and simple. And the antioxidants in chia? They help protect reproductive cells from oxidative stress, keeping them healthier for longer. So, whether it's about maintaining intimacy, energy, or just feeling like yourself again, a daily dose of chia could quietly make a big difference. Conclusion. So there you have it. From better sleep and easier weight loss, to balanced blood sugar, improved digestion, heart protection, hydration, stronger bones, a sharper immune system, enhanced sexual health, and more? Chia seeds truly pack a punch for such a tiny food. The beauty of it? You don't need to overhaul your whole diet or chase the latest fad. Just a few spoonfuls at night can work quietly while you sleep, supporting your body in ways most people never realize. And the best part, it's backed by solid research, not just hype. Whether you're in your 40-second, 50-second, 60-second, or beyond, adding this small habit could be one of the simplest, smartest steps you take for your health this year. So why not give it a week and see the difference for yourself? Try chia seeds tonight, then share your results in the comments. Your journey inspires others.